Applying drop cap. We are going to use this. Let me highlight this. I'm okay. Even with one character. You come to insert menu. You come and check. You have drop cap. You click. Let's go to more. Drop cap. I said drop. Now I need maybe let's say 4 lines. You can choose now to hammer is okay. You say okay. You can see. You can format this, make it look good, make it look wonderful. You come to home, you choose a color, or you just come up here, apply a shadow. You give a shadow. You say okay. You can see it's now wonderful.